Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad and I'm from Pakistan. I'm in charge of marketing at Yutong's national company in Pakistan, and I've been working with Yutong for more than 2.5 years now. Well, I got to know about Yutong some 10 years ago when I was doing my internship at Yutong's dealer in Pakistan. And at that time, I was surprised to know that Yutong is world's largest bus manufacturer, and it is a very respected name in the overall bus industry. They have made significant investments in Pakistan to improve the transport infrastructure and making it safer and reliable. And they are indeed a very caring and reliable employer, and they focus a lot on their employees' growth and training opportunities. And this is the reason I choose Yutong as my first career choice. This career choice really helped me in getting better, improving my working abilities, and providing a stable lifestyle to myself and my family. Since joining Yutong, I have experienced significant development in my professional abilities. My technical and job-related skills have improved because of the challenges and opportunities provided by the company. In addition to enhancing my abilities, I have also learned the importance of effective communication and collaboration, particularly within a multicultural team environment. Working alongside colleagues from different backgrounds has helped me develop a global perspective and adapt to various working styles. These experiences have contributed to a greater sense of confidence in my abilities and have prepared me to take on more substantial responsibilities within the organization. One of my proudest moments at Yutong has been our ongoing efforts to raise awareness about new energy buses in Pakistan over the past 5 years. Our dedication and commitment to this initiative resulted in a significant milestone last year, when we received an order of 27 pure EV buses from Lahore, Pakistan. We not only ensured timely delivery of these buses, but we also provided extraordinary service support to our client. The operator was extremely impressed by our team's performance, which led us to recently securing another substantial order, this time for 400 EV buses. This is the largest single contract we have received from the Pakistani market. I'm incredibly excited and proud of my team for achieving this milestone, which is a testament to their dedication and exceptional performance. This accomplishment highlights not only the superior quality and reliability of our buses, but also the strength and capability of our team, allowing us to maintain a leading position within the industry. The biggest gain is the broadened perspective. Visiting the factory helped me understand Yutong's manufacturing strength. The cross-cultural communication workshop highlighted the importance of teamwork, and the experiences like broadcast gymnastics gave me a good impression of the Chinese culture. So this training made me feel more connected with Yutong and motivated for the work. After attending the training in China, I'm eager to apply the knowledge and experiences I've gained here to my work in Pakistan. My main objective is to use what I've learned here to better support my team and enhances the quality of services we offer to our customers. By sharing these insights and skills, I hope to help our team grow stronger and more effective in meeting the needs of our customers. Additionally, I'm committed to continue my personal and professional development with Yutong. I aspire to serve as a bridge between China headquarters and our operations in Pakistan, fostering better communications and collaboration.